Hi guys, welcome to Digital channel guys. So hi all. So I'm very happy to tell that we are reaching for 8,000 subscribers and your valuable support. And this video I am making purpose of anyone looking for digital marketing course or any kind of topics required email marketing, affiliate marketing, content marketing, video marketing, YouTube optimization earnings, Google local listing, Google certification, Google Ads earnings, that all will be supporting here. Any further question and about videos, just you can comment me or mail me. And what are the content you can touch me here. Basically I forget some comment. If I'm not reply the properly, you can re-comment me, definitely I'll supporting them. And anything I'm missing on your comment box, you always ping me in my WhatsApp chat. I don't hide my number. I'm always helping for everyone to the give the opportunities. And here I will start the income between, will start the openings from digital market also through my company. We'll teach everything with the real-time scenarios. What are the query, you can comment me. I definitely will be support from your things. So any further questions you have in your mind, so that I'm very doubt about the CEO, what are the clarities, everything can ping me my message. I definitely will be support you. How you can reach in the audience from your YouTube SEO, website SEO, what are the things you we need about social media platforms. These all will be we can teach into this Rakesh channel. You can subscribe our channel and ask the question. If anything missing on your comment box, don't unsubscribe my channel. If you are missing your comment box, once again, just remind them. I definitely will be clarify your doubts and everything. So what are the query about any topics? You will be compulsory come with us. I definitely will be helping you to reach your website traffic, everything. So don't forget any query about the any topics. I'll make the almost all 400 above videos, but everything will be free here to learn everything in depth. In a future, we'll be start our videos in Telugu and Hindi also. A lot of people asking Hindi. We have started soon for Hindi and Telugu also. We will be start that platforms Telugu and Hindi also. You can any query about digital marketing, anything about in this email market, affiliate marketing, I'll definitely will be support to upload the video within the time of period of the your ask on the comment box. Don't forget, if anybody I'm missing the comment section on your comment, please re-comment me. I definitely will be support anything. And here I'm about the query about the digital marketing one. If you follow the old video, there's an old option. Follow the new videos and new date, you can get the idea about this one. So that option will be valid or not, that are only depend on your particular option. So follow the things. Anything that is not work, you can intimate me. I definitely give the new solution on the particular video and your particular option. Any query, you can comment me in my channel comment box, or you can connect with my WhatsApp chat. I definitely will be support you. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel, every videos. And what are the question you have in mind, ask me in the comment box and my WhatsApp chat box. I definitely will be support. If you want join anything on your join member in your live chat, everything, they will be here supporting join box also. You can join and ask the live scenario with the sit with us and clarify your doubts. If you not join, you can connect with the WhatsApp. I'll give the solution with the WhatsApp, how we can join our connect and how to get the job and your business promotion, everything we can discuss the particular option. So don't forget to subscribe our channel.